Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto E15 and today I'll show you how you can put this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, hold power button and volume up at the same time, and from the boot options select power off. Now when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up again. This will take you to the boot mode, so in here using volume buttons, either up or down, you want to scroll through the options till you have a recovery mode visible, and then press power button to confirm it. Next, once you see this page, hold power button and press volume up once, and this will redirect you to the recovery mode. Now in here, just like before, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate and power button to confirm. And going over the options, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to the previous page, enter fast boot mode, apply updates, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option, which is already selected, confirm it, and this will just bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.